This video is entitled Planting Fava Beans, Ancient Nutrition and Spiritual Renewal. Discover the timeless power of fava beans, one of the world's oldest cultivated legumes. In this video, we'll explore how to plant fava beans step by step while uncovering their incredible health benefits and metaphysical significance, from boosting immunity and heart health to symbolizing renewal, abundance, and spiritual clarity. Fava beans are more than food. They're a living testimony of provision and breakthrough, perfect for gardeners, health seekers, and those drawn to the deeper meaning of what we plant and eat. So now we'll discuss the health benefits of the fava bean. Fava beans are nutrient-dense and offer wide-ranging health support. Rich in protein and fiber, supports digestion, satiety, and muscular repair. It's high in folate, crucial for fetal brain and spinal cord development, reducing risk of birth defects. Contains L-Dopa, is a dopamine precursor, may help improve motor function and support Parkinson's symptoms, support heart health. You got potassium, magnesium, and fiber health, regulate blood pressure and cholesterol. It's also good for boosting immunity, antioxidants enhance cellular defense and delay aging. The beans also improve bone health. You have manganese, magnesium, and phosphorus, strengthen bone density. And then you have support blood health. Iron and folate help prevent anemia and maintain healthy red blood cells. And then it's also good for weight management. You have fiber and protein, promote fullness, reducing overeating. And then it's good for regulates the blood sugar. Soluble fiber slows glucose absorption, supporting metabolic balance. And your metaphysical benefits, while not as widely documented as their nutritional value, fava beans carry symbolic and spiritual resonance across cultures. You're looking at renewal and fertility. As one of the oldest cultivated legumes, they symbolize continuity, rebirth, and generational provision. You have abundance and prosperity. Their prolific pods represents multiplication and harvest, often linked to wealth and sustenance. You have clarity and awakening. The dopamine connection, L-Dopa, mirrors physical activation, aligning with mental clarity and spiritual awakening. Then you have your protection and strength, historically used in ritual beings, were believed to ward off negativity and strengthen resilience, and connection to ancestry, cultivating ancient seeds, ties the grower to lineage, memory, and cultural continuity, turning planting into testimony. And right now it's about December the 5th, which is kind of cool over here for the Mississippi area, but the fava bean is a cool weather plant. And you want to plant them in the fall time. And I got them here, and then you kind of like see some writing on them and so forth. And they basically tell you to kind of put your prayers on those beans, and then once you plant them, and whichever one comes up do good, that's one going to plant. But it's pretty easy to plant. As you can see here, I got some soil here inside of these cinder blocks, and I also put some ash also in there, and then you just take the beans and put them here. And since this is a cool weather plant, you plant them now. Very simple. Just put it in there like that, and then when the weather get around into 40 degrees, they start germinating. And like I said, you grow them now because it's a cool weather plant. But that's pretty much it for planting these beans. I'm not going to plant too many right now for the video. I'll plant the rest of them later. But that's all you have to do. And then this is a bean that you can benefit from by planting in the fall season.